I say, uh, I'm stuck to the pavement now. Eyes looking angry now. Bullet from the whole clip hit, no grazing now, raging now, gauges out, duck or get lift up. Find your man stitched up, body bag zipped up. I'm Chris Tuck, rush hours with the packs out, smoking drink till I black out, then pass out. The last word I had, minute hype things up. I had to run into the car like the ice cream truck. I might speed up and park quicker. I gon' spark liquor, smart niggas, and bait for the sharp nigga. Car drifter fiends, so they love our speed. No Mel Gruber, when I shoot, you get 5 heartbeats before you die. I'm the one that aim it and fire. Ain't no gain in your brains on the side. The rain wash the stains, so we can't let them dry. It's a good day to die. You should thank the weather god. Rockabye, baby, sing them a lullaby. And I got birds, I was trained to let them fly. Throw them off the plane, let them hang from the sky. Now you tender like a lady, jigga laying off alive. I bang with the block, but I hang with the six a lot. Leave you on a milk carton like a missing child. Nigga, please, when I squeeze, I don't miss from now. Need you like a kid that don't eat, see your ribs is out. I'm digging out of this ruthless when I do this, motherfucker. And I'm up early like a rooster. And I don't be on that block with them boosters. I got niggas that'll run up and shoot ya. The lock and spark bullet stuck up in your heart. Your bitch give me good brain, but you suck at being smart. Ever since the badass, that was the toughest in the part. Rob you with no damn mask, it was gutter from the start. My wrist glowing in the dark, no need to turn your lights on. Push to your jaw, thought it was a light song. Now you walk that metal jar, your belly can bite home. You suck it through a straw, got sparing your life home. Took something so big, spirits arise home. Then stuffing in the ground, I'm a Gruffy Keys the Hound. How you love that? I'm with that Tommy like Rugrats. I'm astronaut high, and I don't think you be above that. The thug strap be blowing sticky like a bug trap when the snub clap. Guaranteed to push your skull back. And don't act like you bigger than me. I got niggas that's on the strip get you hit when you sneeze, so be easy. I make it so you can't breathe easy and put you on the highway to heaven and meet Jesus. Pink diamonds looking like a meat freezer. In my flow cold, but they ain't dropped the heat neither. You know what that's loud. From now on, man, I don't need to call me loud no more, man. I'm about to change my name. Niggas still the names on, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I've been doing this shit, you know what I'm saying? But, for now on, just call me Louis S. Aston Martin, aka Spaz, you know what I'm saying? Just call me Spaz, you know what I'm saying? Holla.